Today I'm going to show you how to replace the suspension spring on your clockwork. For that I have taken the clockwork out of the case. To demonstrate, it's much easier to do it like this than when it's still in the case and the only thing you would see is my hands. The suspension spring is this part. It's attached to the suspension bridge, this part, with a little stick pin. The stick pin is thinner on this end than it is on that end. And because that is, you can bolt it in the suspension bridge. This is the escape. We must avoid moving the escape because the escape is essential for the timekeeping. To remove the suspension spring, the only thing you need is a pliers. You take your pliers and put it on the thick part of the suspension spring stick pin. You twist it and pull it out. There you have it. Then you remove whatever remains there are of your old suspension, and then you see it's clear now, the slit. This suspension bridge has a hole, just like the suspension spring has a hole. Those two need to line up. You put the part in the slit and you align the holes. So you see the light on the other end. Then you take your stick pin and you slide the thin part in and twist, and there you have it. You see there's a little piece sticking out here. Then you take your pliers, you put it on and you twist a little bit till it's firm in there. So now you have replaced it. The only thing you have to do now is attach the leader. The leader has a small part here and your escape has an opening there. You put your thumb on the escape and you slide the thin part in the opening and you twist it. Then you move it upwards and it's open on the top and you slide it on each side of your suspension over the pins, and now it's attached. There you have it. You have replaced the suspension spring.